you think about your Indian CA preparation? And if I think about the experience that you had writing a US CPA, can you tell us where do you think was the difference? Did that help? How was the experience different when you wrote the papers?
So, like, if I go starting with Indian CA, like, and when I joined in USCPA, so like the concepts were already clear, but in USCPA there are a few different things. And if we talk about this exam pattern in Indian CA, you get a question, you have to write the answer, right? But if it's multiple choice, you should know like which is the wrong answer. So there, like I said earlier, write a word here, a word there, it could impact a lot. So the concept should be like 100% clear. Otherwise, it was very difficult to like crack the MCQs. And also for the case studies, like I told you earlier, right? I was not doing the case studies, but you push, no, you have to do that, the simulation. So that push, and especially your sessions on just the case studies, like right after the course was done, you would take up. So that was really helpful because in that you took from all the materials. It was variety of questions which were there for us to go through. At times you know a concept, but just a little bit change the answer. So it was really helpful.